It's 2025, and the world has changed for creators in a way nobody could have predicted just a few years ago. Back in the early days of YouTube, blogging, and Instagram, most people were creating content for fun, maybe earning a little money on the side through sponsorships or ad revenue. But today, we're living in the middle of a creator economy boom so big, it's worth over $1.3 trillion worldwide. And it's only getting bigger. Freelancers, independent creators, and small teams aren't just posting online anymore, they're running businesses. And if you're in the US, you're right in the middle of it. In fact, American creators currently dominate this global market. Video content is leading the charge, and the tools to create and monetize it have never been more advanced. AI, especially tools like ChatGPT, has completely changed the game. But here's the strange thing. Even though the market is huge, even though creators now have access to unlimited tools, most of them are still leaving money on the table. They're working hard, pumping out content week after week, but the income stops the moment they take a break. They're trapped in a cycle. Create, post, repeat. Always chasing the next big idea, the next viral video, the next trending topic. And while that can bring in short-term wins, a sponsorship here, an affiliate sale there, it's not sustainable. So, what's the alternative? How do you make money without feeling tied to your phone, camera, or laptop 24/7? How do you build something that keeps earning while you sleep? The answer is surprisingly simple. You take one successful content idea and build an entire ecosystem around it. That's where this powerful ChatGPT strategy comes in. And no, this isn't just another "AI will do everything for you" pitch. It's about using AI smartly to turn what you've already created into multiple income streams. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and start a new project called Passive Income Ideas. Then, tell ChatGPT exactly who you are as a creator, what you make, how often you make it, your audience's habits, their problems, their demographics, and your specific niche. Example. I post 2 videos a week on my YouTube channel with 2,000 subscribers. I focus on personal finance tips for young professionals who want to save money and invest smarter. They're mostly in their late 20s, working 9-to-5 jobs, and worried about debt. This sets the stage so ChatGPT understands not just what you do, but who you do it for. Step 2. Choose your best piece of content. Maybe it's your most read blog post, your highest performing YouTube video, or a newsletter edition that really resonated with your audience. Share it with ChatGPT, and then give it this instruction. Greater than, help me create an entire ecosystem of passive income from this. Give me 10 digital product ideas, 1 high-ticket passive income offer like a subscription service, and 1 low-ticket product. In minutes, you'll have a list of ready-to-build offers, things like ebooks, templates, online courses, premium communities, or automated subscription services, all tailored to the content you've already made. Here's why this works so well. You're giving ChatGPT plenty of context, so its ideas are relevant and high quality. You're using it to multiply one winning idea, instead of scrambling to think of 20 different new ones. You can create separate chats for each idea to develop them further, so you're not overwhelmed. Think of it this way. Instead of constantly hunting for the next trend, you're planting seeds that grow into long-term revenue streams. And here's the kicker. If you've already published something that connected deeply with your audience, that one piece of content might be worth far more than you think. With the right spin, it could turn into $100,000 or more in passive income over time. So your challenge for this week: don't create something new just to stay consistent. Instead, look at your content history. Find your best performer. Then, use this ChatGPT method to stretch that single piece of content into multiple offers, products, and services. The creator economy is growing. And right now, you have the chance to grow with it. Not by working harder, but by working smarter.